Unraveling English. Active versus passive voice unpacked. Hello learners. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of English grammar. We're focusing on the intriguing topic of active and passive voice. But don't fret, we'll make this as simple and clear as possible. Let's roll. Before we jump into examples, let's quickly discuss the concept. An active voice sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. It follows this formula: subject plus verb plus object. On the other hand, a passive voice sentence is one where the subject is the recipient of the verb's action. The formula is object as the subject plus be plus past participle plus by plus agent. By agent, we mean the doer of the action. Let's dive into examples now. Here are some active voice sentences. 1. Tom reads a book. 2. Maria baked some cookies. 3. The dog chased the cat. In each of these, the subject is the one performing the action. Now, how about some passive voice examples? Here they go. 1. A book is read by Tom. 2. Some cookies were baked by Maria. 3. The cat was chased by the dog. Notice that in these sentences, the subject is the recipient of the action. Once you understand the structures, changing a sentence from active to passive and vice versa becomes easy. For instance, let's convert the active sentence, Tom reads a book, into passive. First, move the object, a book, to the subject position. A book, next. Add the correct form of be, in this case, is, a book is. Follow this with the past participle of the verb, read. A book is read. Finally, add, by, and the original subject, by Tom. A book is read by Tom. And that's it for today, folks. We hope this exploration of active and passive voice in English has clarified things for you. Remember, it's all about understanding who's doing the action and who's receiving it. Keep practicing these sentence transformations, and you'll master the active and passive voice in no time. See you in the next video.